English Listening Lab.
Hi, I'm Emma from the English Listening Lab. Today, we're going to learn English for train or bus travel. This will help you feel confident when you travel in a new country.
Hi, I'm Daniel, and I really need this. Buying tickets and talking at stations makes me nervous.
That's very normal, Daniel, but don't worry. We'll make it simple and practical. Let's start from the beginning.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine you arrive at a train station or bus station. The first thing you need is a ticket.
Yes, that's always the first step.
You go to the ticket counter. The staff member is there. What do you say first?
Maybe hello?
Perfect. Always start with hello or hi. Then you say what you need. For example, I'd like a ticket to London.
So I just say the place name.
Yes, exactly. Keep it simple.
Let me try. I'd like a ticket to Paris.
Great. That sounds natural. Now, the staff might ask, one way or round trip?
What does that mean?
One way means you are going only one direction. Round trip means you will go and come back.
Oh, I see.
So you can answer, one way, please.
Or round trip, please.
Exactly.
Let me try. One way, please.
Perfect. Now the staff might ask, what time?
That means what time I want to travel.
Yes, you can say morning, afternoon, evening, or a specific time, at 3 p.m.
Okay, I can say morning, please.
Great. Now let's talk about asking the price. You can say, how much is it?
That's very useful.
Yes, you will use this a lot. Let me try. How much is it? Perfect. Now imagine the staff tells you the price. Then I pay? Yes, you can say, here you go. That means I give the money. Exactly. Now, sometimes the staff might ask, window or aisle?
Oh, I don't know these words.
Window means a seat near the window. Aisle means a seat near the walkway.
Okay, I like window.
Then you say, window, please.
Easy. Now, here's something important. Sometimes you don't understand the question. That happens to me a lot.
No problem. You can say, sorry, can you repeat that?
That's very helpful.
Yes, always ask if you don't understand. Now, let's do a short practice. I'll be the staff and you will be the traveler.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like a ticket to Berlin.
One way or round trip?
One way, please.
What time?
Morning, please.
Window or aisle?
Window, please.
That will be $20.
How much is it?
$20.
Okay, here you go.
Perfect. That was excellent.
That felt like a real situation.
Exactly. That's how you learn best. Now, imagine a small problem. You are not sure where to go. You can ask, where is the ticket counter?
That's useful.
Yes, or where can I buy a ticket?
Let me try. Where can I buy a ticket?
Perfect. Now, here's another situation. Maybe you want to ask about the next bus or train. You can say, when is the next train?
Oh, I like that one.
Yes, very common.
Let me try. When is the next bus?
Excellent. Now, here's a helpful tip. Speak slowly and clearly. You don't need long sentences.
Yes, I think I try to speak too fast sometimes.
Slow is better. It helps people understand you. Now, imagine you just bought your ticket. You are holding it in your hand.
Okay,
What's the next step?
I need to find my train or bus.
Exactly. But before that, Let's do one more quick practice.
Okay.
You walk to the counter. What do you say?
Hello, I'd like a ticket to Madrid.
One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
What time?
Evening, please.
Window or aisle?
Window, please.
Perfect.
I feel much more confident now.
That's great to hear. And if you're watching, try to say these sentences out loud. It really helps you remember and speak better. Yes, speaking out loud makes a big difference. Absolutely. Now, imagine you leave the ticket counter and look around the station. You need to find your platform or bus stop. And now you're standing in the station, holding your ticket, looking around. This is the moment where many people feel confused.
Yes, this is exactly where I get lost.
Don't worry, let's make it simple. First, you need to find your train or bus.
Okay, how do I do that?
Look for signs. You might see words like platform.
That means where the train is.
Yes. For buses, you might see bus stop or gate.
Okay, so I follow those signs.
Exactly. Your ticket usually shows a number, like platform 3 or gate 5.
So I match the number on my ticket with the sign.
Perfect. Now, imagine you don't see the sign clearly. What can you do?
Ask someone?
Yes, you can say, "Excuse me, where is platform 3?
Let me try. Excuse me, where is gate 5?
Excellent. That's very natural. Now, imagine someone gives you directions. They might say, "Go straight, then turn left."
Okay, straight, then left.
Or they might say, "Go upstairs."
That means I need to go up.
Yes. Or go downstairs.
Go down.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about checking your train or bus. You don't want to get on the wrong one.
Yes, that would be a big problem.
So you can ask, "Is this the train to Paris?"
Oh, that's very useful.
Yes. Or for a bus, "Does this bus go to the city center?"
Let me try. Does this bus go to the airport?
Perfect. Now imagine the person says, "Yes, it does."
That means I am in the right place.
Exactly. If they say, "No, it doesn't," then you need to find another one.
Okay. Now, let's talk about time. You might want to ask, when does the train leave?
That means the departure time.
Yes. Or, what time does the bus arrive?
That's arrival time.
Correct. Now imagine you are at the platform, but you feel unsure. You can ask another passenger, "Is this platform 4?
That sounds easy. Yes, keep it simple. Now let's do a practice. I'll be a person at the station and you ask me for help.
Okay.
Standing in station. "Excuse me, where is platform 2? Go straight, then turn right."
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That felt real.
Good. Now let's practice checking the train as passenger near train.
Excuse me, is this the train to Rome?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Perfect. Now imagine a bus situation as driver.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
Great, thank you.
Very good, Daniel.
I feel more confident asking questions now.
That's important. Asking questions helps you avoid mistakes. Now, here's a tip. Don't feel shy to ask. Most people are happy to help.
That's true.
Also, listen carefully. Even if you understand only a few words, you can still follow directions.
Yes, like left, right, straight.
Exactly. Now, imagine you are walking to your platform. You see signs like Platform 3,
I follow the arrow.
then Platform 3 up.
Go upstairs.
Perfect. Now you reach your platform. You see people waiting.
So I wait there too.
Yes, you are in the right place. Now, here's a quick mini practice. I'll say a situation and you respond.
Okay.
You are lost. What do you say?
Excuse me, where is platform 1?
Good. You want to check your train.
Is this the train to London?
Perfect. You want to ask time.
When does the train leave?
Excellent.
This is getting easier.
Yes, because you are using simple English. Now, imagine the train arrives. The doors open, people start getting in.
Okay.
You check your ticket again, take a deep breath, and step inside. And now you're inside the train or bus. You found your seat, and you're starting your journey.
This feels like success already.
It is, but sometimes you still need to talk during the journey. Let's learn how.
Okay.
First, you might want to check something with the driver or conductor. You can ask, "Does this go to Central Station?"
That means I am confirming the destination.
Exactly. Or, "Will this stop at Main Street?"
Let me try, will this stop at City Center?
Perfect. Now imagine you are sitting, but you feel unsure about your stop.
Yes, I worry about missing my stop.
You can ask someone, "Can you tell me when we reach Central Station?"
Oh, that's very helpful.
Yes, people usually help.
Let me try, can you tell me when we reach the airport?
Excellent. Now let's learn a few common travel phrases. You might hear, "Next stop."
That means the next place the train or bus will stop.
Yes, and "get off here."
That means I should leave here.
Correct. Now imagine you hear, "Next stop, City Center."
That means my stop is coming.
Yes, so you get ready.
Okay. Now let's talk about a small problem. What if you get on the wrong bus or train? Oh no.
Don't worry, stay calm. You can ask, "Is this the train to Central Station?"
And if they say no?
Then you can ask, "Where should I get off?"
That's very useful.
Yes, it helps you fix the problem. Let me try, "Where should I get off?"
Perfect. Now imagine you want to be polite during the journey. If someone helps you, always say thank you. Yes, that's important.
And if you sit next to someone, you can say, "Excuse me," when you need to pass.
That sounds polite.
Very polite. Now let's do a full journey practice from start to finish. This will help you feel ready for real life.
Okay, I'm ready.
You arrive at the station. What do you say?
Hello, I'd like a ticket to Central Station.
One way or round trip?
One way, please.
What time?
Morning, please.
Great. Now you go to find your platform.
Excuse me, where is platform 2?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you.
Now you are at the train. What do you ask?
Is this the train to Central Station?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Now you are inside. What do you ask if you are unsure?
Can you tell me when we reach Central Station?
Perfect.
And when I arrive, I say thank you and get off.
Excellent. That is a full travel conversation.
Wow, I feel much more confident now.
That's great to hear. And remember, you don't need perfect English. Simple sentences are enough.
Yes, I noticed that.
Here's a final tip. Always stay calm. Even if you make a mistake, you can fix it by asking simple questions.
That makes traveling less stressful.
Exactly. And if you're watching, try to practice these sentences in your daily life. Even imagine situations in your mind. It will help you speak faster and more confidently.
I will definitely practice.
You're doing great. Keep going step by step, and you will improve.
This was really helpful.
I'm glad you found it useful. Thanks for learning with us at English Listening Lab. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy your journey.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.